of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who was ready to sacrifice his son to obey Allah. But Allah reflects his son with a ram immediately. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another my new video. It's me Tanzil in front of you. Today I'll talk about al-Adha. Qurbani Eid, also known as al-Adha, is the second and most important festival. It is also called the festival of sacrifice. This Eid reminds us of the story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who was ready to sacrifice his son to obey Allah. But Allah reflects his son with a ram immediately. To remember this event, Muslims around the world sacrifice animals such as cow, goat, or sheep. This act, called Qurbani, after the Eid, the meat is divided into three parts: one part for the family, and one part for the relative and friends, and one part for the poor people and needy. Qurbani it teaches us obedience to Allah, sharing and helping others, and sacrificing selfish and pride. This it reminds us of the story of Prophet. And the end of will say Eid Mubarak, and may Allah bless your day and happiness with your day. May Allah bless you. Thank you everyone.